Positioned amongst car dealerships such as Hyundai Durban, Kent Motors, Axons Durban, and GWM, Into Assets proudly presents the existing premises of Tukweni Motors, positioned at 181 Anton Lembede Street. This property, with approximately 3,675 square meters of lettable space, is made up of an approximately 1,875 square meter showroom or retail space with high glass windows and is fully tiled. The upper floor, which measures approximately 1,800 square meters, is accessed by a ramp located at the rear of the retail space. The upper floor comprises of offices, workshops, and storage areas. An independent workshop positioned at the rear of the property can be accessed from Mark Lane. Roller shutter door access can be obtained from Mark Lane. This property will be sold with vacant occupation and is ideal for warehousing, offices, educational institutions, churches, car showrooms, or even residential student accommodation. We look forward to your attendance at the auction on the 22nd of September 2022 at Mount Edgecombe Country Club. For more information about this property and to arrange a viewing, please contact Verend on 071 383 1735.